Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today's video will be about Zapier. Zapier is a web-based tool that helps people automate repetitive tasks between different web applications such as Gmail, Slack, Trello, and many others. It's like a person assistant that connects different apps and helps them communicate with each other. So let's head to the website and create our account. So Zapier is an easy to use and doesn't require any coding skills. It has a simple interface that allows you to select the app you want to connect and choose the trigger and actions you want to automate. Zapier also offers a large library of pre-built zips that you can use as starting point. So what brought you to us today? Podcasts, search engine, LinkedIn, Billboard, word of mouth. What is this? Is this so Facebook and Instagram, YouTube, website referrals, others. If I click others, I have to choose the others. No, I don't. Submit. Thank you. So let's start by creating our account, and I prefer using Google. Here. So with Zapier, you can create zaps, which are automated workflow that trigger an action in one app based on an event in another app. For example, you can create a zap that sends a Slack message every time you receive a new email in Gmail, or automatically add new Trello card in a Google Sheet. So helps us customize your experience by telling us a bit about yourself. Select the role that best describes you. Sale Ops, OPS. Customer support OPS, engineering HP and recruiting OPS, marketing and marketing OPS, data science, IT, business owner, project management, and others. How many employees does your company have? Others enter role. Adventure. Adventurer. Yes. Less than. So it's just one. We can add another choice here. Continue. What apps do you use? We will give you personalized workflow recommended or the apps you choose. Here we have I use Gmail. Let's select just 3 apps for some examples. So we will select the apps connected to the same email. So let's just fill up the list and see what can they do. I will skip Discord for now. And I will select all the application I have an account in. I mean in with this Gmail account. And link it to this email. Chat GPT3.e whisper. Yes. No. I don't think so. We have WooCommerce, and I will skip the next because there are millions of websites down here and the list don't end here. They keep coming. So finish setup. I forgot a button. There is a button here, a hidden button. So connect this app with this one. So there is a recommended list. So overall, Zapier is a great tool for anyone who wants to save time and streamline their workflow by automating respective tasks. It's a powerful tool that can help you automate many different aspects of your work, and it's definitely worth checking out. So those are recommendations. Get an email reminder in Gmail 1 hour before the new Google Calendar event. This is good. I mean, this is useful. Send emails from Gmail for upcoming Google Calendar event. Are those the same one? 1 hour before and the day. Wish clients happy birthday with an automation email from the calendar. Send emails from Gmail for a new Google Calendar. And we have hundreds of templates and automations. Here you can add one. And what is this? You can upgrade your plan here. Let's zoom out a little bit. So here. So let's look for the settings. We have here the settings. The most important thing. So here's my profile. Waiting for my profile to show up. Here, the email, you can change the email. Here to change the password, the first name, the last name. Sorry. This. I regret writing this the first place. So the company, we have roles. The business owner, of course. And we have the time zone. Okay. I regret clicking on this. Let's look for my country. I don't live in, no, I live in Africa, but not in Africa in your mind. So you can delete the account from here. We have the email notifications. You can stop all the email notifications and offers from Zapier. And yeah, I remember clicking here. So we have activity summary, error notifications, and subscriptions. We have the advanced settings, two-factor authentication. We have authorized apps, SSL check, sign in with one account, and here's the delete your profile. This will permanently delete your profile, all your zaps, all of your connected accounts, any team account you own, any developer apps you own. And you can confirm it from here. Here we have data management, your data and delete it. We have the billing informations. If you choose the plan, let's get a view on the plans. And while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. We have plans and pricing. We have the free plan, which I'm user now, 100 tasks. We have the starter pack for individuals with simple multi-step automation needed for 700 tasks, 750. Or you can choose the 1.5k tasks for $39. We have the professional for individuals that need the full power of Zapier automation platform. We have, you can reach millions of tasks. Here we have 1 million tasks for $2,100. And the 2 million stack tasks for 3,389. Wow. And we have the team for the team building and collaboration and automation across the organization. almost the same numbers, but gym is way too far. And we have the company. The company offers is way too much. So those are the benefits of each plan. And we have here the dashboard, the zaps, the transfer, the tablet, the interfaced apps, the history. We have the explore, and you can get help from here. Here you check your tasks and zaps, and here you see the trial when your free trial ends. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you.